In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade weapons in one's human. So, to upgrade weapons in one's human, you will need either a Gear Workbench or an intermediate Gear Workbench, okay? You can also do it on the advanced version of it, however you don't need that. You can do it on either one of these, okay? But the upgrades you can do will vary on the the advancement of your table. So the more advanced this workbench is, the more advanced upgrades you can do on your weapons. And then what you have to do to get this is press I to open up your inventory, go inside Memetics, and then Memetics yet again, and then you want to go over here where it says crafting. You want to unlock this Gear Workbench, and if you want the intermediate one, you want to unlock it all the way down here to the intermediate Gear Workbench. So when you have this, you want to then have your a gun of your choice, of course, inside your inventory, and you want to go onto one of these workbenches. I'm going to go to the intermediate one, press, as you can see, J to calibrate, or simply press F and then click calibration up here, and then you want to click on the weapon you would like to calibrate or to upgrade. And the way you do this, as you can see over here, if I press on my sniper rifle over here, it says how many materials you need to upgrade. Now, as you can see, I don't have enough steel right now, so I can show you. Let me just quickly grab it over here. I'm just cooking it. There we go. Then you want to go over here to this bench, click calibration yet again, as I said, and then once you're in here, you want to click F or hold down your F key or press this confirm button, and this will calibrate or upgrade your weapon. It will also tell you how much more damage it will do. It will change the fire rate and the mag, stability, and then weak spot damage. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can upgrade weapons inside one's human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.